that era of Raveena Tandon, yeah, she
Hmm.
is the heroine
Hmm.
she's been a heroine of Bollywood.
Hmm.
And yes, I've had this huge crush on her. She is so good. I mean, when I saw the song, I was blown away. I was like,
Yeah.
wow, that's like five expressions in 5 seconds, you know.
Yes.
Azad, best part is Azad, honestly, the horse. Then Imtiaz Ali also
Hmm.
similar, very I don't know what
Hmm.
connect, spiritual connect. I feel that I will be it'll be wonderful if I get a chance to work with him. I think Ajeebo Gharib तरकीब लगाए नसीब dedicated to you.
हाय गाइस, आज हमारे साथ हैं ऐसे स्टार जो टीवी के लाडले रहे हैं, पर थोड़े टाइम के लिए उन्होंने लाइमलाइट क्या छोड़ी। फैंस लिटरली सैड वाइब्स में चले गए थे, बट गेस व्हाट, ही इज बैक विद अ बैंग। बॉलीवुड डेब्यू आजाद से। सो लेट्स वेलकम द सुपर हैंडसम मोहित मलिक। हाय मोहित, वेलकम टू इंडिया न्यूज एंड न्यूज एक्स। हाउ आर यू?
I'm wonderful. Thanks for having me over, Fauziya. It's always an honor to talk to you.
थैंक यू। सो मोहित, सबसे पहला सवाल तो मेरा यही है आपसे कि टेल अस, आजाद कैसे हुआ? फुल स्टोरी चाहिए।
Uh, okay, so Azad, see, I've been trying for movies. I think OTT and films, basically post 2017, where one fine day मुझे लगा कि जो मेहनत और जिस हिसाब का काम मैं टेलीविजन में कर रहा हूँ, मुझे लगा कि वो काम मुझे उस प्लेटफॉर्म पे करना चाहिए
हम्म।
जहाँ पे वो लोग मुझे देखें जिनके साथ मुझे काम करना है। Whenever I was not shooting for a show, जो कि मैं अक्सर नहीं करता हूँ, आई एम वेरी चूजी अबाउट माई वर्क। सो एक प्रोजेक्ट खत्म होता है तो एक गैप हो जाता है 3-4 महीने का। तो वो जो गैप जो होता था, मैं उसमें जाके कास्टिंग के लोगों से मिलता था
हम्म।
और ऑब्वियसली एक्टिंग वर्कशॉप्स करता हूँ।
हम्म।
Or so I think one day I was shooting for Chamak in
हम्म।
Punjab, and I went to Golden Temple. I came out, और मुझे कॉल आया from the casting guy like कि Gattu sir has I've shown your tape. पुराना कोई टेप दिखाया है and he wants to meet you. He's really looking forward to cast you in his film. It's a great role. So I said like, yeah, I'm coming back tomorrow, back to Bombay, and I'll catch you. So we went to meet Gattu sir, and Abhishek sir ने मुझे पूरा narration सुनाया, character क्या है, role क्या है, the plot, and then he was like, now I want you to test. So then I obviously tested for it, and yeah, I think I did around three auditions for the film, and that's how finally I landed the role.
सो जब आजाद आपको ऑफर हुआ, सो व्हाट वाज योर
Yeah.
फर्स्ट रिएक्शन? वर यू एक्साइटेड या फेयर था? एंड व्हाट चैलेंजेस यू फेस्ड?
Of course, it's a big film, okay? And Abhishek Kapoor ki film, Abhishek Kapoor has been on my bucket list for a very long time, still is. And उनकी फिल्में मुझे बहुत पसंद थी और हमेशा से मेरी चाह थी कि मैं कभी ये मेरे जो लिस्ट ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स है उनमें से किसी के साथ मेरा डेब्यू हो. So finally that was happening, and it was pretty unbelievable when I got the news that I've been casted, and for such a primary cast, and it was unbelievable. I mean, आपका एक ड्रीम होता है हमेशा से, जब भी आप बॉम्बे आते हो एक बड़े पर्दे पे देखने का. हालांकि I was I never felt so confident, कि I could try for films because I always thought I have to become better as an actor to go there to be on that screen, 70 screen, because I always felt before 2016 that कि I lack somewhere as an actor, and I still feel that I am still not capable of coming on that 70 screen. And so I think 2016-17 onwards, I think I started feeling that now I'm capable. Now I can branch out. Now I can start meeting people. I started garnering, or I don't know where that confidence came from. I think obviously the kind of work I was doing, and I was working on myself. I was doing a lot of acting workshops. I was just working on myself. So I think one day I just felt, yeah, this is the time and I should branch out and go to that screen and go to meet these people who make such films. So yeah, it's pretty. And when I coming back to a question, when I got the confirmation, it was unbelievable because obviously such a big film with Ajay Devgn in it, with Diana Penty in it. I mean, it was a dream come true, and it was a challenge for me, to pull off this character also. In fact, because as my debut, and it's not an easy role to really pull it off. Gattu sir saw something in me. He thought I could pull it off. I was banking on that confidence, that man has the confidence in me. Then who am I? I'm gonna push. I'm gonna try my best, and I did what I could.
So अजय, डायना, देन अमन, राशा, सबके साथ काम करने का आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? प्लस आई हैव हर्ड दैट यू हैड अ क्रश ऑन रवीना. सो इज दैट ट्रू और जस्ट अ रूमर?
Okay, so the most interesting part of the question, I'll answer first. I've always had this crush on her. Yeah. वो childhood crush, मेरा क्या? I think all the boys, who are born in the same year and has seen that era of Bollywood. जब वो गाना आया था टिप टिप बरसा पानी, and that era of Raveena Tandon, yeah, she's been a heroine of Bollywood. And yes, I've had this huge crush on her. Of course, all boys would have had. And then she is still so gorgeous. And we were shooting, and she came to the set one day, and when I saw her, it was the same song was playing in my head, and I was stuck. Yeah, I was struck. I was like lightning has struck, and I was just in awe of her. So yeah, it was a moment. So yeah, I've had this crush on her for a very long time, and she's still looks so gorgeous.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, she has maintained so well. So yeah, and finally, I was working with her daughter, who's playing my sister, but she's a sweetheart. Rasha is a sweetheart. I'm very fond of her. Okay, so coming back to your first part of the question, it was lovely working with all of them. All of them, in fact, because I never felt like this was my first film. Diana made me so comfortable. I mean, if you've seen the film, there are some scenes where I'm pretty aggressive with her. I'm a pretty rough with her. So हमारी workshops हुई थी. Workshop के दौरान पहली बार मैं जब से उससे मिला था, तो I was waiting. I reached early. I was waiting for her, and I was like, यार पता नहीं डायना पेंटी के साथ कैसे होगा क्या, and वो cocktail का सब घूम रहा था मेरे दिमाग में, and she's a big name. But the moment she entered and she said hi to me, and we sat down, we had a chat, and we started a workshop. And I think her vibe is she's so humble. Her vibe is so good. Her energy is so good. She's one of the, she's one of the purest, one of the most, I would say, warmest. She's so warm. She's so welcoming. She's so, she's so humble, and she, मतलब there were scenes जहाँ पे मैं उसके साथ रफ हो रहा हूँ, तो मुझसे हो नहीं रहे थे. मुझे याद है, मुझे बड़ा uncomfortable feeling हो रही थी कि यार वो एक scene है जहाँ पे मैं उसकी leg उसकी उठाता हूँ, और there was a scene I hold her tight and then I push her, तो वो मुझसे नहीं हो रहे थे. So she told me कि Mohit, relax, it's just me, don't worry, nothing will happen to me, please go ahead and do whatever you feel like, we are actors here. So I think she, वो जो भी कोई भी guards नहीं थे, when we were doing the workshops, and we, as an actor, we were doing our job, and she just made it so comfortable for me. And she has the purest heart. Yeah, she's one of the best human beings I've ever met in this industry, honestly. Then Ajay sir has been very kind. He is obviously somebody to look forward to. I mean, to learn from. The kind of commitment he has, the kind of person he is. Very focused, very reserved, and no nonsense. Especially when I was shooting with him, because I just had 2 scenes with him. So very, calm se calm scene kiya, chale gaye apni van mein, scene kiya, chale gaye. And he's so good. I mean, I've been his fan for years. His films, he's a legend. And to do a film with this, मैं जब पहली बार उनके साथ बैठा हुआ था, we were sitting right before the shot, and Gattu sir was explaining the shot to us. I was sitting next to him. Just imagine me sitting with my favorite actor, and I was trying to be in my zone. At the same time, I was starstruck. And so, yeah, but I tried to, concentrate on my work. But I was observing him, his eyes, his hand movements, the way he sits, everything. And so it was a great experience working with him. But of course, he's also very evolved. He's very secured, and he just made me very comfortable. Rasha and Aman, obviously हमने ज़्यादा time spend किया है. मैंने राशा के साथ ज़्यादा time spend किया और अमान के साथ. तो बहुत मजा आया. These both kids are, they both are so nice, and they are like students, and they're young. They are.
On that note, I would like to say that Rasha's song "Ui Amma" it just has gone viral. It's everywhere.
Yeah, Ui Amma, and look at her expression. She is so good. I mean, when I saw the song, I was blown away. I was like, wow. That's like 5 expressions in 5 seconds, So brilliant. I think that's a talent, that's gift. So yeah, I think she's really gifted, Fauziya. She's really gifted. But more than the actor, that these both are very well-raised kids, and very humble, very grounded, eager to learn, and बहुत अच्छे हैं दोनों. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत मजा आया. Me being me, I was so much into my work, and but I saw them also focusing on their work so much all the time. And Aman really worked hard. It's not an easy character to pull off in your debut with the lingo, being a Bandra boy, and you playing that character. It's not an easy job. First debut में अगर आपको ये करने को मिल रहा है, तो and he has done a very good job, honestly. For his first film, he's very good. Both of them, in fact, they have a long way to go. So, but they're very nice kids, yeah. So I really pray that they stay like this, and the best part is that both of them are well aware of themselves, and they want to work on the craft. They want to work on themselves. That's the best thing. I think that will, take them way forward.
So now my next question is that कि आजाद में आपको बेस्ट पार्ट क्या लगा? खुद को कैसे मोल्ड किया आपने अपने कैरेक्टर में?
Okay, so Azad, best part is Azad, honestly, the horse. He is beautiful, and I think for me, I think it's to be honest, it was not easy to reach Tej and to understand Tej. It obviously took around 2 months for the prep before the film, but it was very clearly laid out in front of me, clearly etched out in front of me by Gattu sir. He was very clear with his characterization, the character sketch, the graph, the way he wanted, the way, even the physicalities. Like, he was very clear in his head how Tej will walk, how Tej will behave. I just had to make him alive, उसमें मुझे जान डालनी थी, and I just had to serve the character, which I tried to do. Obviously, to understand Tej, there was a lot of work to be done, because I'm not that in real. It's way far off from me in real life. It's like the other side of the spectrum, and there's so much of restrained anger he has. There's so much of pent up anger he has. Because of his upbringing, because of his conditioning, there's so much of suppression of emotion. Or suppression के बाद actually repression हो जाता है, which is happening with him. That all of us basically we don't express our emotions, so it goes into a repression because of this his violence comes out in spurts, and his bitterness is there, and that's how and he's very sure of himself. He's somebody who is very proper and poised also at the same time, because he thinks he's one of the Britishers. And also, in one word, if you want me to sum it up, I think he's somebody who's evil personified. And yeah, I mean, he's like this narcissist, megalomaniac character, so it was not an easy thing for me to pull off, to understand his world and how he sees the world. So to understand his conditioning, the way he's been brought up. So we did a lot of work, and the kind of work I do, and yeah, I mean, and I loved it, because first time in my career that I got 2 months to prepare for a character, and I love the whole process of filming doing a film, because you prepare and then you go on the set. See, I think it's only when you prepare something that's when you learn about yourself more, and also you grow as an actor. On the set, when you go, you really don't grow, or you really don't learn anything, because on the set, I know how to be on the set. I know what to do, being in the moment and doing stuff. But it's only when you prepare for the characters when you grow as an actor. So I think I love the whole process of preparing stage, and also in real life. Like in real life, we are very morally restrained. We are very right. We play a good boy in our life. Always we do the right thing. We always be right in this world. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे अंदर negative emotion नहीं आते हैं. Or negative. They always are there. You need to vent them out. You need to do something to vent them out. So with Tej, his vent is only violence. So I had to understand him. So all my frustration, all my negativity, or which was somewhere brewing inside me, I made a point that for 2 months I will not vent it somewhere. I will keep it, let it brew inside. So that will come out once I go on set. And I wanted, because that's how I wanted to show that restrained anger in him, because he's very impulsive. वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, and because impulsive इसलिए क्योंकि that there's so much of restrained anger in him. So for me personally, what I did was I didn't do anything as Mohit, which helps me to vent out. For 2 months I was not doing anything. I was just preparing mentally, and I was feeling those emotions, but I made it a point that I can go on the set, I'll vent it out. And that's what I did in the film. And also that I have this great amount of dynamics. He shares a different relation with his sister. He shares a different relationship with his father, and he shares a very different kind of relationship with his wife, played by Dinah. So there's a lot of range. There was a lot of dynamics. I had to work on all of that, because it's a film end of the day, and one thought here and there is visible here on screen. Yeah. So it was a challenge for me.
So my next question is that जब आप एक कैरेक्टर को, एक प्रोजेक्ट को एक्सेप्ट करते हो, so वो एक चीज जो आप ध्यान में रखते हो?
See, I always wanted to do a film. I never wanted to do a film just for the sake of doing a film. I wanted to do a film or a character where the guy or the character I'm playing is leading the story in some way. Also, it doesn't depend on how much footage I have in the film. It depends on if it's a 5-minute footage. What am I doing in that 5-minute footage? Whether am I adding something to the story, or can I make it impactful? So all these questions go in my head, and yeah, obviously the character, but it was my first film. I didn't have much, to ask for, because this is the first film. But yeah, henceforth, I think the characters I want to play more layered characters, which are not single dimensional, which have a lot of dimensions. So yeah, I want to do that work, which is not monotonous, which is difficult, which can give me a lot of nervousness. So yeah, when I'm nervous, I think that's the role I want to do.
सो टीवी से फिल्म्स का ट्रांजिशन वो कैसा रहा, प्लस योर विश लिस्ट, एक्टर, एक्ट्रेस एंड डायरेक्टर यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू वर्क विद.
Oh, okay. So TV से उसका transition. See, honestly, it's transition. It's not, I would say, that difficult because, as I said, uh, I was auditioning and I was meeting people when I was not shooting for a television show. The gaps I had. And that's the time I make use of that time when I'm not doing a TV show. I used या तो मैं अपने ऊपर काम workshop कर रहा होता हूँ या I'm meeting these casting directors because it's a completely new world. Yeah, these are new people. They haven't really seen your work. They know you कि हाँ मोहित मलिक है कोई, but they haven't seen my work. टीवी पे वो काम नहीं देख रहे हैं आपका. आपको जाना पड़ेगा, ऑडिशन देना पड़ेगा, हसल करना पड़ेगा. उन लोगों को अपना काम दिखाना पड़ेगा. That's what I felt and I still feel. And that's how I used to go. Sometimes there were ego. मेरे को होता था कि यार मुझे होता था कि यार इतना काम कर लिया. Now you have to go and really meet that casting director and audition. But I used to tell myself, no, I have to go because these guys don't know your work. You have to go and meet them, hustle, go show them your work. So yeah, I did that, and then one fine day I got a call. अभी उसके बाद obviously transition thoda sa difficult hota hai because TV is a very comfortable space to be in, and it's a little uncomfortable. Last past 4-5 months I was not picking up any TV, so it becomes a little uncomfortable because TV becomes very comfortable because of its security it gives you. And so yeah, but I really told myself, ki unless and until you don't become uncomfortable in life, you can't grow. That's the thumb rule of life, I feel. जब तक आप uncomfortable होगे नहीं, तब तक growth होगी ही नहीं. Otherwise, टीवी में वही करते रहोगे आप. काम अच्छा हो रहा है, सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, लेकिन आपको वो लोग देख नहीं रहे हैं जो आपको देखना, जिनको दिखाना है आपको अपना काम. The time has gone where Hema Malini will spot you on television like Shah Rukh Khan. That's not the time right now. You have to come on that platform, or OTT or films where people will see you. So this I realized, and so the transition was a little difficult, I would say, and not that difficult too, but yeah, but a little uncomfortable. But now I'm really, really happy the kind of response I get. सब कुछ भूल जाता हूँ मैं फिर. जैसे ही कोई फोन करके मुझे बोल देता है थिएटर से निकल के कि मोहित ग्रेट जॉब, and we didn't expect this, this is not you. I'm getting rare reviews. So वो सब भुला देता है. वो सारी आपकी चिंता है, सारी वरी, सारे पुराने सब कुछ स्ट्रगल सब भुला देता है. So I think I'm really happy the kind of response I'm getting. So there are few directors I want to work with who are my favorite. हालांकि मुझे और भी बहुत सारे हैं जिनका मुझे लगता नहीं कि मैंने शायद काम देखा ना हो, लेकिन और भी बहुत लोग हैं, बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है OTT में, टीवी पे, फिल्म में. बट द फ्यू फेवरेट्स जो मेरे शुरू से रहे हैं वो हैं कि सुजित सरकार, ही इज वन ऑफ देम, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, आई समवेयर feel that I will have a great time working with him. His school of, whenever I've seen his interviews or BTS of his films, I see myself there, and I understand his world of cinema, where he comes from. So I think Sujit Sarkar, then Imtiaz Ali also similar, very I don't know what connect, spiritual connect. I feel that I will be it'll be wonderful if I get a chance to work with him, because I am also on that path somewhere. So Imtiaz Ali, then I love Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek sir को मैंने फिर से बोल भी दिया. In fact, yesterday I was talking to him over the phone. I told him, sir, मेरी भूख नहीं मिटी है. You're still on my bucket list. I want to work with you again. So Abhishek sir again. Then Ashutosh Gowarikar. I've loved Swades. I've loved Lagan. I've loved all his films. He's a great director. He should come back with another film. I'm waiting. And Rakesh and Prakash Mehra. and Vikramaditya Motwane. You know, some actors are really good. Like I wanted to work with Irfan sir, but I think Irfan Khan
जी
वो
जी
रहे नहीं.
जी
मेरा एक ड्रीम था उनके साथ कि कभी
हम्म
मैं काम करूंगा उनके साथ. Amitabh Bachchan, I want to work with.
हम्म
Really, really, I dream of someday working with him.
हम्म
And in Indian cinema, and they are very good actors. Yeah, Jaideep Alawat is so good.
हम्म
I think then Deepak Dobriyal is so good.
हम्म
Um, some actors are amazing. Even Vicky Kaushal, I love his work.
हम्म
The kind of work he's doing. So yeah, these are great actors. I would love to work with them. Yeah, and in female, I think I like Alia. She is
yeah.
one of the good actors we have in the country today.
So now my next question is that टीवी का एक कैरेक्टर जो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब है.
Sikandar from Kulfi Kumar Bajewala.
Okay, so if we talk about like काम के अलावा आप टाइम स्पेंड कैसे करते हो? Plus, what's your diet? What's your workout routine like?
अगर काम के अलावा मैं क्या करता हूँ? I love to travel. That's the top list.
Mhm.
I run away and I with my wife, with my family,
Mhm.
and I like to meditate a lot. I like to
Mhm.
read self-help books more,
Mhm.
and then I like to I do a lot of sketching sometimes.
Okay.
I do sketching, so kabhi I sketch. So
Mhm.
yeah, these are the things I like to do, or listening to music, or working out, or going for a jog, running, whatever. I love that. So my diet is something very, very simple. I just eat before putting anything in my mouth. I just have to know that what am I putting in my mouth, what amount of protein it has, what amount
Yeah.
of fat it has. So I'm very aware. It's
Calculative.
something I have to. I'm very calculative. You know, it's a great amount of awareness I have. You know, before मैं कुछ भी ऐसे नहीं खाता हूँ. मैं सबसे पहले समझ के खाता हूँ उसके अंदर मुझे क्या मिल रहा है. And I'm very, very disciplined in terms of my diet. I don't really indulge in, you know, fried or sweet. If I have to have sweet, I have a sweet tooth, but I indulge in some substitute of sugar. Maybe it can be monk fruit, it can be dates, or it can be maple syrup, whatever. So and also I try to maintain a very low calorie diet, which is calorie deficit sometimes, and once in a week I reward myself. I go out and I eat whatever I love. I love Italian food. I go and eat a pizza. I have my favorite wine
So that's your
with my
comfort
wife.
food.
That's my comfort food. Yeah, a good pizza and wine, red wine.
Okay. And what about your workout routine?
Uh, it's always every day. Yaar, I work out almost every day. It starts with a 20-minute jog every morning. I get up, I just head out of the house and go run and come back. Then post that, then there's my training session, whatever time it's 11 o'clock or 11:30. And also I do intermittent fasting sometimes. It really works for me. So post my workout, I have my first meal. Sometime before that, whatever I feel like that day. So then in the night, I go for a walk for 1 hour, which I really like. Spending time with myself. I listen to one podcast and I just go for a walk.
Okay, so now बॉलीवुड या टीवी सबसे ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग क्या रहा? One word.
Bollywood.
रवीना के साथ डिनर या अजय के साथ एक्टिंग सेशन?
Ajay sir के साथ acting session.
You are lying.
Yeah. No, I'm not lying. No. Hello, I'm a मैं उनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ और उनके साथ एक्टिंग सेशन मतलब और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में.
Okay, so एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब मोहित एज अ डैड एंड एज अ हस्बैंड.
Okay. As a dad, I think still learning. And as a husband, very caring.
So last show you binge watch.
I saw a film called Maharaja. I saw a film called Amaran. I saw a film called Perfect Days. Best films, 3 best films. This recently I saw.
So action hero या romantic क्या पसंद है?
Both.
ओके, सो एक वर्ड में मेरे लिए बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग या डायलॉग।
तुम्हारे लिए?
यस।
अरे फौजिया, आई थिंक अजीबो गरीब तरकीब लगाए नसीब, अजीबो गरीब। It's from Azad. It's a beautiful song. Please listen to it.
ओके, थैंक यू सो
Yeah,
मच मोहित।
dedicated to you.
Thank you. And thank you so much for joining us, and all the best for your future
Anytime.
projects.